Hello, can you hear me?
Mm, I don't hear you. Are you?
Hello, can you hear me? I can't hear you. Uh, I don't hear you.
Now? Now
Now,
I heard. Oh, okay.
great.
Sorry for that. How are you, sir?
Hello. Very nice, thanks.
Okay. Now tell me what's your issue and how can I help you?
Okay, so I had for the past few months I had these disapproved ads, malicious software. I believe I talked to Google. They gave me the bad some link. That is the issue, but couldn't solve it. I work for a client, so I work in marketing. I run the ads. So yeah, but it's outside of my field of expertise. So yeah,
Yeah. Can you share your screen? I need to check something.
share screen. Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay. Um,
And kindly give me your website URL to my Upwork inbox. I need to check something. Okay.
this.
Mm, uh, give me your website URL.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you try multiple times from the August, June, August, September, October. Oh my, long time ago. Ads is still disapproved. So
Yes,
go to the policy issue. Go to the policy issue here. Policy
um,
issue. Uh,
that.
upper side, little bit upper side. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, so there is two issue now, unreliable claim and compromised site. Okay, don't worry. Now show me your website, please.
Website. Just a second. These Zoom things are in a way. Um, this is the site.
Opticatom. Okay, got it. Opticatom. Okay, let me check. Opticatom. Okay, so yeah, I saw it. Okay, now actually I generally my service is I only take my fee when I successfully approve your ads. Until approve your ads, I don't take any single payment. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay,
this is
good.
my policy. So before we start the process, let's discuss about the price, that how much you're happy to pay me when I successfully fix your issue.
What is usually the rate?
I usually take a $250.
Okay, can we do 200?
220. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do
Okay.
220.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I also check it from my side. Okay. Don't worry. I can do it. Inshallah. Let's compromise. So, where are you from?
Slovenia.
Slovenia. Okay. I have lots of clients from there.
From here?
I have
Like,
lots of clients. I have experience working with from your country.
yeah, that's a profitable business, isn't it? Google has a mistake,
Obviously.
and you do.
Yeah. So yeah, you're a Google Ads expert, right?
Google and Meta ads, both.
Okay. But
Yeah.
I also start my journey from Google Ads campaign setup management optimization, but I don't satisfied with my result. So then I changed my sector and move it to Google policy. And now I am working here during 2 years, and I have successful only working for Google suspension and disapprobation, and that's it.
Yeah,
And I am happy with my journey.
yeah, that's a good business.
Yeah, obviously.
I mean, I tried
Okay.
I tried myself, looked through the whole page, everything, talked to Google. I couldn't find a solution. So I hope
No,
you.
there is some secret points that we learn it with our 1 year journey. Okay. So
Yes.
don't worry, inshallah I will fix it. I send you an order. Please confirm it so that I can send you my access. Then you can send me access there, and I start my process. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Um. So,
Maybe we're same age. What's your birth year?
can you repeat that? I didn't quite catch it.
What's your birth year?
Still didn't understand.
I mean, how old are you?
23.
23. So it means I am also 24.
Okay, nice.
That's why I think that we are same age.
Yes,
Okay.
just a second
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take your
check the
time.
contract. Yes, okay.
Have you any agency?
I'm in like AI space, marketing AI. Um,
Okay.
yeah, okay. Let's do PayPal. I'm
So
not working a lot on Upwork or Fiverr also. Mostly I can
you
solo pick them.
you can share your skin. I will guide you how to do it. Actually, I don't see your skin right now.
Okay, okay. Uh, just a second. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so I
Okay,
think
I
it was.
got your order. So your name is Miha, right?
Right,
Mihab.
yeah, it's fine.
Okay, okay. Okay, I send you my mail. It's policy650@gmail.com. So kindly give me access here of your only. I need only your Google Ads access. Okay, it's enough for me. So only give me your Google Ads, please. Google Ads access, please.
Okay. Um, I'll share the screen now so you can help me a bit.
Okay.
Um, okay. So we go to.
Admin, access and security. Click on the plus icon.
That one.
No, okay, okay. Click on the plus icon
Mm-hmm.
and policy expert 50@gmail.com.
Policy. Did you send me anywhere the full mail so I can just copy paste?
Sorry, sir, I don't understand.
Did you send me your mail? If you could send me, I
Yeah,
just copy
yeah,
paste.
yes, I already sent it to your Upwork inbox. Kindly check it, sir. I
Uh,
already sent it. Here,
okay.
here, here. Okay. Just remove the space, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think? Which one is better for conversion, Meta or Google?
Depends on the business, really. For optician shops like that, I found out that the Meta is a little bit better, I think. But the best thing you can do is probably make a Google ad. So you capture the people that are looking for a problem for solution, and then when they visit your site, you retarget them on Meta, so they don't forget about it.
Oh,
That's probably the
okay.
best way.
And so as I think that Google cost is little bit high, right?
Yes,
Advertising cost.
especially now. But Meta is going up too. Meta is still cheaper, but yeah, I like to find people that are looking for solution, and then I don't stop sending them Meta ads when they
So
click.
what is the source? How you get your all client from which source? Are you advertising
Usually I
self-service?
send them cold outreach mails.
Oh, okay, okay, got it, got it.
How much time do you need to do that?
Just 10 to 15 days is enough. But
Uh,
I generate 4 or 5 days, okay. But sometimes you know that it depends on Google support team, so I need some additional time for the access, because if my access is removed, then maybe Google is confused, because case will be provided from my mail, okay.
okay, okay.
Or so you
Uh,
can use from 22.
22.
Okay, it's enough.
Okay. Um, you don't need any.
Send invitation, nothing need to mark,
Okay.
okay. Kindly go to security.
Uh,
Security. No, sorry. Here. Yes, security and allot domain, add domain. Here is gmail.com. Okay, save. Okay, now again try to send me to make change to allot domain. Please contact in account administration. You're not admin
no, I'm not
of this.
ending because I was like put in the team to solve that
Uh,
issue. Yeah. So
okay, so you can take your time and just send me the access. Okay, then I will start my process.
okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
We'll see you around. Bye.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.